Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic TV with the model number TC-65DX900 and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons and in one of two ways. So you can do this either via the setup menu if you have access to it, or via the physical menu buttons if you don't or you prefer to do it that way. Now there's two reasons you might want to do this. The first one's troubleshooting, if you're having any issues with this TV not working, not connecting, not making sound, etc. Or if you want to just get this TV set up like it's a brand new TV, for whatever reason we can get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box. Now if you want to do it via the menu on the screen, it's real easy. Just hit menu on the remote and then you're going to navigate to setup and then system and then factory default and then confirm with a yes. Now, if you want to do it via the physical buttons, you just need to have power to the TV and have it on, and you're going to find the volume down button on the TV and the menu button on the remote, which is just below the power button on the left side. You're going to simultaneously press and hold the volume down button on the TV and the menu button on the remote for more than 5 seconds. After those 5 seconds or more are up, we can go ahead and pull the plug on the TV, then release the buttons, wait a few seconds, and then go ahead and plug the TV back in, turn it back on, and it will automatically start up into its factory default state.